Alright, what I have here is a 1991 Ford F150. And the tail light's broken, but the lens has been broken for like a couple of years now. I think, I don't know, some kid might have hit it or something. I've never backed into anything, but the light still works. Toolbox goes with it. I've got two flagpoles attached to the thing here. These are 3x5 foot flagpoles. The flags need to be replaced, but you know, I'll probably keep the flags. But here's the truck. The pedal's kind of spongy. I'm thinking that there's probably air in the lines. Give me a second. Old ass truck. 4 on the floor with overdrive. Yes, the radio works. She runs perfectly fine. There's air in the clutch line, so you can't really put it in gear. And there's no master cylinder. Battery's still good. New relay. I got new ECM, new distributor. New clutch coil pack, new wires, new plugs. Brakes work, engine works, tires are still in really good conditions. 4x4, I think that's a locking hub. It's just, got a new exhaust pipe. I don't know if you can see that. There's a new clutch and everything inside it. It's just, I mean, she don't look that bad either. She go pretty good. Just, yeah. That's pretty much it. Most people are like, is it still available? Yeah, it's still available. I still want $800 for it. I mean, hell, it's a nice running truck. It's just, I gotta clean out the bed. I got some aluminum stuff back here I got from work. Broken ped bases and all. I got to clean out the toolbox, but the toolbox will go with her. She don't smoke. This is just, you know, the normal morning stuff. A little bit of haze because it's a little chilly out here. My flags are a little tattered. Yeah, this is F150 Custom. Windows, doors, everything's manual, everything works.
Fluffy eggs, so you can take on anything the morning throws at you. Pick one up today at Taco Bell. Okay,
there's no air conditioning. The compressor's messed up, and I just never wanted to spend $200 on a compressor to fix the air conditioning. That's all the air conditioning needs. Everything else is there, but the heat works great. And the gauges, make sure I am in neutral and it won't go into gear. Well, you can hear it. It'll try to go into gear, but I don't want to force it because you don't want to mess up your gears that way. But yeah, it's a manual transmission vehicle. Oh, and I guess another bad part would be there is no emergency brake, but it's kind of an easy fix. I just never really got around to it because it's a manual. When you put it in park, it pretty much stays, because this little piece right here, I'm missing a bolt that goes to the other side, but all the lines are there. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the thing. One line comes in here, the other line comes in here. I'm missing this piece right here, broke off the edge for this part right here, but you can probably weld that back on there. I got a welder, I just never really got around to doing it. There's that. Okay, so it's basically, there's air in the clutch line, there's a part missing off of the rear emergency brakes. That's why the brake light's on. But other than that, great truck. It's been good to me for the last 6 years. Hell, it still runs. I just clutch problems and such. All right, here it is. Enjoy.